shift begin. A stranger's face, but something stirred within. That night I heard the bird as well. Its song like fate, a secret spell. I watched the stars align so slow, and knew somehow my soul would know. I didn't speak, I didn't rush, but in my chest a quiet hush. I lit the fire inside his chest with every word, with every breath. From far away I reached his heart with gentle hands that pulled apart the walls. I knew I wore them too, but he saw through the guarded view. I lit the fire inside his chest and found my soul inside the rest. I'd lived in silence, kept things tight, afraid to show what felt too bright. But he was warmth I didn't plan, a mirror held in trembling hands. Each morning I would send a spark, a message wrapped in light and dark. He didn't know, but I could feel the way we made the quiet real. I gave him pieces slow and true, and watched the way his spirit grew. I lit the fire inside his chest with every word, with every breath. From far away I reached his heart with gentle hands that pulled apart the walls. I knew I wore them too, but he saw through the guarded view. I lit the fire inside his chest and found my soul inside the rest. Then came the time I had to disappear. No warning, just the pull of something unclear. I vanished like a fading line, but still I feel that love was mine. I hear the bird at midnight sing of everything we tried to bring. And though I left without goodbye, he lives in me, and I in sky. I lit the fire inside his chest with every word, with every breath. From far away I reached his heart with gentle hands that pulled apart the walls. I knew I wore them too, but he saw through the guarded view. I lit the fire inside his chest and found my soul inside the rest. The bird still sings at midnight, he lives in me, still burning bright. The bird still sings at midnight.